New videos every day. Life, wisdom.
Now there's some other issues that people can have up here in the upper part of their back. Sometimes the vertebra will be rotated or they'll be out of position, and we can actually feel that in the spine here. So some of the adjustments that we can do for that is we're just getting in here with our hands this way, and we just gently are going to feel those vertebrae, how they're moving here. There we go, and we'll feel that nice release through there. It's a nice gentle movement, but this can actually give the person a whole lot of relief, and it keeps that spine actually moving. A lot of times people's back starts to get real kind of frozen up and locked, and when that happens, it gets real tender and sore. And when you start to push on it, there's so much inflammation in those joints that it'll really hurt. So you have to kind of know what you're doing about this. But when we start adjusting patients like this, I always joke with them. I tell them it's kind of like spraying WD-40 in those joints, and it just gets the back so much more loose and limber. And I had a lady just the other day says she's able to do so many more things and have so much more movement as a result of this.